ActiveCampaign tutorial, how to use ActiveCampaign for email marketing. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ActiveCampaign for your email marketing and how you can use the platform. What is the basic features of the platform that you need to know about. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, I have with me right here activecampaign.com opened on my web browser. So after that, here you can see this is their main website. It is basically email marketing automation and CRM platform. This is a very great platform if you want to grow your business with customer experience automation. So the automation, first one is their automation platform built for each stage of customer journey. Then they have sent exactly what your contacts want. You have your email marketing, dynamic content, segmentation, successful deliverability. Automation gives time back to you. Sales automation helps you sell more. Message your customers when it matters most. Okay, so these are all the things that you can do on ActiveCampaign. So if you want to see the solutions, here are some solutions by products, by industry, and they have also resources. The platform is something like this. You have omni-channel, you have partners, and your platform features. Then you have pricing. Although they have you can start the free version by clicking right here, and you don't need credit card for that, but you need to see what are the priced version and how long you can use the free version of ActiveCampaign. So I'm just going to give a quick overview of their pricing plans. Here you can see the first one you have is how many contacts do you have. You can increase the contacts if you want, and you can see the versions change according to that. I have like 1000 contacts. Let's say I have 500 contacts, so it will basically give me the price range according to that. So first one is basically the light version. It is for marketing and CRM, and this is the version that I have. This is basically, there are four plans in this version: light, plus, professional, enterprise. The light one is $9 per month, plus is $49 per month, and $149 per month is the professional one. And then the enterprise one is customizable. You can just go on and talk to the sales department, and they will tell you the whole thing about the enterprise and what you want to add and what you want, and then you will be able to get a price for that. Then there are some plans for transactional email, API, SMTP for your app or website, and for that, emails per month and monthly prices are available according to that. You can see that as well. If you want to free postmark trial, if you want, you can just start that. I'm going back into marketing and CRM. Here you can see these are all the features of that. So marketing suite is something like that. These are all the features, and you can just go on and see everything, what is going on and what will you have in each of these version, and then you can choose the version which suits best to you according to your needs. I'm just going to click on this option right here, try it for free, and I'm going to try the ActiveCampaign for free. I'm just going to type in my email address really quickly so that I'll be able to get started. Okay, so first of all, right now I need to enter my name. So I'm just going to say okay. The next thing is I need to enter my phone number, and now I'm going to click on the next step. Okay, so now let's personalize your platform and experience. How many contacts, prospects do you have? Select an option. I have like less than 500. How many employees do you have? I have like 2 to 5 employees. And what industry is your business in? Let's say I am into fitness and nutrition. So I'm just going to go on and click on the next step. So these are all the apps that you can integrate. What email service or marketing automation provider do you currently use? You can choose that if you are using something. I'm not using something, so I'm just going to click on the next step. Okay, and lastly, you need to create a password for yourself so that your account is secured. Let me quickly do that, and then I'll be able to get started eventually. Okay, take me to my account. Okay, so here you can see this is the basic dashboard. Send targeted and more effective campaigns to our contacts and grow our listed, generate more leads. You can build sales and pipeline to manage opportunities. You have automated data collection process. You can do all of these things, and you can get started with this, but I'm just going to click on this option which says created campaign, and I'm going to create a campaign for myself which will lead my email marketing, because that's what the video's purpose is today. So we are just going to start with that. Okay, so select a campaign type. There are different campaign types. You have your standard, you have automated, autoresponder, split testing, RSS triggered, date based. So automated, create a custom sequences of email actions and conditions. I'm just going to go with the send a regular one-time email campaign. I'm just going to go with that, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, so now you need to enter the name. Let's say the test campaign, it's going to be test campaign. I'm going to click on next. After that, you have to select a list. Like, you don't have a list right now of your contacts. I'm just going to master contact list, and I'm going to go with that and segment selected list, and you can search different list if you want. I'm just going to click on next. Okay, so now you want to choose a template. What kind of template you want to choose? Email designer, text only, or custom HTML? Obviously, we want to choose an email designer because the emails have to stand out in order for the audience to get attracted by them. So what kind of email are you going to make? Here you have some different templates. Here you have new blog post, product back in stock, new salesperson assigned to an account, subscription alert, weekly newsletter, send a new sign up checklist. So these are all the templates that you can basically see, and you can basically select, and you can continue with that. But I'm just going to select a very simple, okay, like this one. This is the happy birthday template. I'm just going to select this one because whenever I have customers and I ask for them for their date of birth, in their subscription form. So whenever I've alerted, basically whenever we are alerted that there is a specific there is a birthday of our customer, then I can send this email to that specific person as an happy birthday gesture, and to make us look good, and to give a whole personalized experience about shopping through our platform. So this is the name of from name, and this is going to be the name this email is going to come from. Then from email, this is going to be the email that this person will receive the email from. Then the email subject is going to be birthday. Obviously, this is going to be the subject. Then you need to click on this continue. Okay, so you see right here, these are all the steps that we are completing. We first selected the type, then we created a list. That now we are on to designing our campaign. After that, we will go on to the summary, and then we'll go on to send. Okay, so now you can see here, welcome to the new designer. You can start to see what's new, but you can just going to select that. And now you can see this is your email right here. Happy birthday. Build a connection with your contact by wishing them a happy birthday. Try including a special offer or coupon code to incentivize a sale. For example, I'm just going to add a coupon so that I can say that you can use this promo code like a happy birthday discount, 10% off, and then you can basically click on this option shop now, and people will be, they will feel happy that it's their birthday, so that why this company is sending them a discount on all their products. So this is really good. So how you can basically customize your email right here. You have content, then you have your global settings. In the content, you have your structures. So what kind of structure do you want? This, whatever kind of structure you want, you can just choose this. After that, you can just close the structure. Then you have your blocks. In your blocks, you can add images, text, buttons, spacer, social, banner, a timer, menu, HTML, and RSS. Well, let's see that we have everything right here, but we don't have our social option. So just click on the social and add it right here. So this is basically your social gonna be. Whenever a person would want to reach to your YouTube, your Instagram, or Twitter, or Facebook, they will click on this specific option, and they will be able to reach your socials right here. After that, you can just go on and you can add the links right here. This is the link. The site is going to be Facebook. You can add the link. Then you have your Twitter. You can add your Twitter link and everything like that. Then you can just go on to your blogs, and you can see that there are other things as well that you can add. If you want to change this specific image, you can just go on and change this image like this. This is the image path. You can just go on and add a link to the image if you want to. You can add alternate text. You can add different alignments. For example, if you want to add this alignment or this, you have to adjust to width. If you want to adjust to width, like for example, this is the basic image right here, but if I want to adjust it to the width of the image so that it looks like this, then you have your responsive image. Like if you want your image to be responsive, you can just click on that and your image will be responsive. Like it will be able to have a link, and whenever a person will click on that, they will be able to go to that specific link. Now I want to add my logo here. I'm just going to content. I'm going into blocks. Now I want to add text. I don't have a logo right now, so I'm just going to add a simple text into this logo option right here. Just click on that and take it right here and drop it here. Okay, so now you got your text. Now you want to change the text, obviously. Your text color, your text background, your alignment of the text is all going to come right here, and you can change it if you want to. You can add an anchor link to your text if you want to, and you can just go on and add all of these things. After you are done and after you're satisfied with everything, you can just go on and you can just click on next, and then you'll be able to send this campaign to the list that you have already chosen from. I'm just going to click on next and send doing changes saved. And now you can see the summary of your whole campaign. This is subject, pre-header text is nothing. Then you have your domain needs to be verified. Okay, I will just do that later on. Please provide a physical mailing address for the list you have selected. Okay, then you have your options and everything, and then you have scheduled your email. After that, you can just click on everything and you can save and exit, and you can click on send, and your email will be sent to the contacts that you have selected. This is how basically you can use active campaign for your email marketing campaign and for your email marketing needs. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section, and please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.